I spread Vaseline on my door and couldn't believe my eyes. I was truly amazed. It may sound strange at first, but this simple household trick can make a big difference and faster than you think. On top of that, I will share 2 more easy tips that hardly anyone uses, yet they can be incredibly helpful in everyday life. All you need is regular Vaseline, the basic one you can buy at any store. Before applying it, make sure to wipe down the doors or windows so the surface is clean and dry. Then, spread a thin layer along the edges of the door or lightly over the surface, avoiding the handle. For windows, apply it along the bottom frame. I love when you tell me where you are watching from. It is great to see how many of us there are from all around the world, and I am happy to respond to your comments. You might be wondering what this is all for. The thick texture of Vaseline creates a barrier that insects struggle to cross. Ants, cockroaches, bed bugs, and similar pests avoid this type of surface because it makes movement difficult and blocks access to food scents. Since it does not wash away easily, the effect lasts for a long time. It is also safe to use indoors and suitable for homes with pets. After applying it, you will quickly notice fewer unwanted visitors inside your home and a cleaner, more comfortable atmosphere. Here's another useful Vaseline tip. This time, use the tube version for easier mixing. Squeeze a small amount into a bowl, add an equal amount of toothpaste, and mix well until smooth. Sounds interesting, right? If you get bitten by a mosquito or stung by a wasp or experience mild skin irritation, this mixture can help reduce itching and swelling. Apply a thin layer to the affected area and leave it on for a few minutes. Relief should come quickly. In addition, this mixture can help refresh household surfaces. Metal faucets that have lost their shine can sparkle again after gently rubbing and rinsing. It leaves a light protective layer that slows down dirt buildup. It can also be used on eyeglass lenses because it helps reduce fogging. As you can see, Vaseline is not just a skincare product, it's a surprisingly handy helper around the house. Check out our next video on your screen. Cheers!